This color doesn't really exist. Let me explain. Everything that we can see is part of a much larger range of wavelengths called the electromagnetic spectrum, but the human eye can only see this small portion of it that is known as the visible light spectrum. And that's because the little photoreceptors in our eyes, called cones, can only detect 3 ranges of these wavelengths: red for the long, green for the medium, and blue for the short. And this is why pretty much all screens use combinations of these 3 colors to create any image. But you might have noticed that magenta can't really be found anywhere in here. So how can we see it? Well, your brain sort of makes it up. You see, typically if your eyes detect multiple wavelengths at the same time of something like red or green, your brain will interpret that as the middle point between those two, which would be somewhere in the yellow-orange area. But when you look at magenta, something strange happens. Both our long and short wavelength cones are active, which means that theoretically the color that we're looking at falls somewhere in here in the median wavelength range, right? But our green cones are not active, which means that your brain just made up a color that isn't anywhere in the real world, a bridge between the red and blue that exists only in your mind. If you enjoy useless yet interesting facts like this one, make sure to subscribe.